Hey, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to upload a campaign into Klaviyo. Whether you're a freelancer, an agency owner, or an e-com founder, this video is going to be very helpful. It's going to go from A to B to Z of how to upload a campaign into Klaviyo. So from Figma, I've learned everything from Figma into Klaviyo and everything from Klaviyo to actually launching the campaign live. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to it. Hello. So I'm going to be teaching you how to upload and schedule a campaign on Klaviyo. So first things first, you're going to go to your email design. In this case, we're going to do a fancy little email we did for Melody. So here's the email that we're going to schedule out. And all you're going to do is you're going to start slicing it. Now, how do you slice? Well, if you're on Figma, you're going to click this little thing right here, this rectangle or triangle thing, and then you're going to click slice. After you hit slice, you're going to start slicing in. And the way you want to slice is go pixel by pixel. You see like this is like really messed up. The reason we do this is because if you have it like right here and you're not accurate, this will happen to the email. It doesn't show, but pretty much it'll have like a whole white line on the side that does not look good at all. So you want to make sure it's proper. Make sure you go to the very corner and then you start slicing it. Now, how big are the slices are kind of controversial I say controversial. It's controversial within the team. Basically, I like to go no more than this. Some people would like to slice it like very, very small, like they'll slice like this and then they'll slice this and then they'll slice this. I know the reasoning, pretty much the reasoning behind that is just because it's going to upload better on Klaviyo. But Klaviyo released a feature where it tells you if it's worth compressing an image, and whenever you slice like this, it's not, they never ask you to compress it. So I like to go, got a decent amount. You don't have to go crazy. Like if you upload the whole email by itself, it still might be okay, but I would at least cut it to 2, which is what I'm going to do. Again, it just makes the email load very slow when the person receives it. Now we're going to go back on Klaviyo. How you do this, you go to campaigns. It's going to be on the top left of your software. Then you're going to go to create campaign. And you're going to name it. So we like to do whatever the number of email it's going to be in that month. So it's the first email, we're going to name it 1. If it's the 17th email that month, we're going to send out, we'll name it 17th. In this case, it's 15th, the very last email we'll send out. And then a quick summary of the email. So we put, hey friend, right? Hey friend. Usually the headline is fine, but it's this. IXM if you want to tag it, and you're good to go. And next up, how do you listen? I'll pick the segment. Well, we're going to turn off smart setting and reputation, but that's already off, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And that's pretty much what we're going to do. Reason to turn off smart setting is because it stops anybody who it doesn't allow anybody who has received an email from you in the last 16 hours to receive this email. If you do this, people are just not going to see this. There we go. Oh, and then that's one last thing we want to do. So we are exclude unengaged recipients. I'm going to ignore that just because our email deliverability is really, really solid. I know we're going to the Cyber Monday, Black Friday stuff, but it's already super, super, super solid. I'm going to start worrying about that at the end of October, November type of thing, maybe in the middle of October. It will create. And once you go to create, you're going to start getting all the images. So I have them in downloads, and then here are the 3 images. So I like to just start from scratch. So I delete these 2 segments or sections, my all use. You're going to drop an image, and then now you're just going to start uploading the slices. So the first image was this one. We're going to put it right there. Looks fine. We're going to put the other one image right there, and then we're going to go back on here and there. Looks fine. Hopefully. There we go. Yes, it does. And then we're going to upload one more of these image boxes right here. And then we're going to upload the last image. Looks fine. Perfect. So what you could do is you could also save templates. So we already have something like this. And let's see if we have here we go. We have a footer section. So I'm just going to put the footer section here. And that's how it's going to look like. But that doesn't look really, really clean because we have a transition that, is going on right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here. I'm going to make the footer just a little bit longer, but just in order to make that transition look fine. So right there. And then what did I say? You want to make sure that you go pixel by pixel. So we're going to go right there. And it looks fine. Looks fine. Perfect. And again, this is just to make sure that there's a gradient. So you're going to see all the left side, right? So I'm going to go, it's not what I meant to do. You're going to go back on the email, put a filler for now. Perfect. I'm going to go back to images, upload an image, and then we're going to go on this little image right here. And then look how you have that little flow, and boom, that's what we want. This one we want. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to link the emails. Now, always link it to the landing page. It's hard to say always because there's always like just things that times where you don't want to. But in this case, it's a normal email. We're going to link it to the actual product page. not the landing page. Generally speaking, you get way higher conversions when you link something, when you link an email to the landing page, and this is what we're going to do. And also, pro tip, if you link it to the landing page where it's a high average order value, so like the Melati, 2 bottles of Melati is going to cost more than just one. So, that's a little hack. We're going to hit next. So here, next nice, good. Having a botanical detox summer, blah, 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 blah. That looks nice and ready. User will apply evil, that's fine. And then last thing we're going to do is we're going to send ourselves a test to make sure it looks all nice and neat. You're going to look back on here, you're going to have previous test. And then you're going to link it to whatever. I'm going to link it to my own email. We'll check it out ourselves. Let's see how it looks like. There we go. Malaya Drinks having a botanical detox summer. Let the subject on the preview text. Looks all nice and fancy. Hey, friend, everyone's having a botanical detox summer. Exhibit A, get your detox on the phone. Looks nice. Click that. Looks nice. And that's pretty much it. I know it looks good. CTAs work. We're going to hit next. So it looks nice. And then we're going to triple check the segments, 90-day engage, perfect. All these errors, don't worry about it. Smart sending, we took that off intentionally. Messaging, unsubscribe link, we like Klaviyo to add it, itself. I don't like how it looks like on the emails. And tracking, I will actually add tracking. What sales came from Facebook, what sales came from email, what sales came from Google Ads, all that sort of stuff. So it just helps you specify what sales came from where. Send now, that looks good, and we are good to go. That's how you do it. That's how you launch a campaign on Klaviyo. If you have any questions, let me know. God bless. Talk to you soon.